Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. So I thought I'd share with you how to make a vanilla latte at home using your Nespreso machine. Whatever Nespresso machine you have or coffee machine. This is one of my favourite coffees to have and I can tell you it tastes better than any coffee shop coffee you're going to have. So what I like to do is I like to either use a double espresso pod. This is one of my, I said espresso again, sorry. Espresso. Why do I keep saying that? You keep picking me up on that and I'm sorry. I know, it's horrendous. Espresso. This is the double espresso Chiara and it's my favourite coffee for making lattes. It's just the perfect amount. It's a creamy smooth taste. I love to make lattes with this. Or you can use, if you prefer a larger coffee pod, 150 ml, and this is just, you know, an Ethiopia one. Doesn't matter what one you use, but 150 ml, you can use a single espresso, double espresso, or just a coffee pod like that. I think I'm going to use this today because I want a bit more coffee in mine. Then you want to get yourself some vanilla syrup. This is the gold standard of syrups, Monin French vanilla syrup. You want to add into your cup 2 teaspoons of the vanilla syrup. Now for your milk, you have to have hot milk because if you put cold milk into any of your coffee's just going to go cold. I highly recommend an Arancino because it gives you the froth and it heats your milk to the right temperature. If you haven't got an Arancino, don't worry, you can use one of those handheld whiskey things, the battery one, or just warm your milk up on the hob, but I highly recommend warming the milk up. So, you use your milk of choice. I like my almond milk from Rude Health because it's got a bit of sweetness to it. And if you have the Arancino, you've got 2 levels inside that says the top amount of milk that you can put in, and then a small level for froth. So put your milk up to the top level so you've got enough milk to fill up your latte. So pop your milk on the stand, press the button, pop in your coffee pod, like so. You've got your syrup in there already. Away you go. And we'll see how it looks. So with your 150 ml, you'll get about that much coffee and your crema. If you use a bigger mug, you'll have more space to put milk in. It just depends how strong you want it. At this point, I like to stir in my vanilla syrup, like so. And now my Arancino has stopped, so the milk is ready to go. And there you have it, a vanilla latte. And there you have your very own vanilla latte, and it is amazing. Get yourself some syrup and start making your favourite coffee shop coffees at home. I hope you enjoyed this. If you've got any suggestions for me, or you want me to make anything in particular, just let me know. Please subscribe. If you've just popped on, I know a lot of you have got an espresso for Christmas. If you've just popped on, it would mean the world to me if you just subscribe, hit that notification bell. It's completely free and it's just a nice thing to do. So enjoy your coffee and I'll chat to you soon. Bye.